Water, the very essence of life, holds the power to sustain and nourish us. But what if you could harness this power directly from the earth by digging your own well? Imagine the cost savings, the environmental benefits, and the sense of accomplishment. Today, we unravel the mystery of digging your own well and installing a water pump. Before you start, ensure you have all the necessary permissions and have identified a suitable site. It's crucial to navigate local regulations and select a location with a promising water yield. Gather your tools, from shovels to safety equipment. With the site marked and tools at hand, it's time to dig. Now we embark on the journey into the earth, one shovel at a time. The process begins with the initial excavation, digging deep and consistent, ensuring the well's stability. Safety is paramount, so always reinforce the walls as you go down. Once we've reached our target depth, it's time to line the well shaft. This secures the well, preventing collapse and contamination. It's a test of patience and endurance, but definitely worth it. With the well dug and secured, we're halfway there. The next step is to install the water pump, the heart of your well. Choosing the right pump is crucial. Consider factors like depth of the well, water demand, and power source. Once selected, place the pump in the well. Now connect it to the power source to breathe life into your water well. Remember, regular maintenance is key to keep the heart of your well pumping. With the pump installed, the power of water is now at your fingertips. There's something deeply satisfying about drawing water from your own well. Imagine the joy of savoring a glass of water, knowing it's the fruit of your own labor. Not only does this project save you money, but it also lessens our collective impact on the environment. It's a beautiful blend of practicality and sustainability. There's a unique sense of accomplishment in knowing you can rely on yourself, in being self-sufficient. Remember, the power of water is within your reach. You've got this. Eager to learn more empowering DIY projects? Our channel is brimming with informative and inspiring videos just waiting for you to dive in. Subscribe today and let's unlock your potential together. Until next time, stay curious and empowered.